Hello guys, so welcome to today's live session. So in this video, what we are going to do is we're going to review our July month P&L statement. So in the whole month of July, like I've shown in the thumbnail, let me quickly share my screen. We have made a total profit of 2,10,000 rupees for the month of July. From July 1st to July 31st, 2,10,000 is the total profit that we have made for the month of July. Now, the beauty of this month was when I started this month on the first day, there's a huge loss. I will show that to you as well. But I would say overall the market has really cooperated, and we were able to do some good profits on this month. Now, the best performing day of this month was on 3rd July. So on that day, we have made a total loss of 96,000 rupees, 96,337. So that was the total loss that we have made. Hi Akash, you're in a 5 lakh loss in PNL in the last 6 months. Last 6 months, the market has been a little here and there. My suggestion to you would be cut down your position sizing, and you should do much better. Okay. Now, my highest performing day was on July 20th, 70,000 rupees. That was the total max profit that we have made for the month of July. So what we will do is this video will be in 3 parts. The first part, we will look at how my current PNL account looks, what are my good days, what are my bad days, how was the market on that day. So that is what we will do in the first part. Second part, we will look at the strategies that we will run. And third part, we'll look at my current open positions and what is the outlook for market tomorrow. Okay. So if this is going to be interesting and if you have not yet subscribed, please do go ahead and click the subscribe button and like this video so that we can produce more and more content like this. So the best performing day for us was 20th July. If you look at the markets on 20th July, let me just open the chart here. This is 1st August, so let us just go to 20th July. So this is 20th July. If you see 20th July at 9:20 is somewhere here. Yeah, perfect. So 20th July 9:20. From here on till this point, right, the market was in a clear uptrend, and that is why on this day of 20th July we have made a huge profit of around 70,000 or 72,000 profit. 70,924 was made on 20th July because the market was a clear trending day. Now, based on this logic, I'll ask you a quick question. Pause the video if you have any doubts, but tell me this answer, right? If the market was trending, we made a big profit. When would we make a loss? If the market is in V shape, right? If market goes up and comes down. So let us review this. Let us look at our biggest loss, July 3rd. Let me open the chart here. If you see July 3rd, which is way back somewhere over here, there clearly you are able to see that this is July 3rd. If I hide the super trend, you will be able to see that at 9:20 market has opened here. Then the market went up, hitting all of our call stop losses, and then the market has come down, hitting all of our put stop losses. So in a V-shaped market, in this strategy, we're trying to make a lot of losses, but my losses are limited. I will also talk to you about what the strategy is. Okay, Akash, if this might help you, obviously do some due diligence, but maybe this might be of interest. We have done a full intraday video on the YouTube channel as well. If you're new, please do check those old videos out too. So let me just show you where you can find these videos. So if you go to our playlist here, you will be able to see that the complete option selling strategy videos here. Each of our videos, the first thing that you have to look at is the intraday strategy, consistent returns with option selling intraday strategy. Watch this completely and you'll get an understanding of our intraday strategy. Watch this strategy, weekly option selling strategy for the iron fly strategy that we do, and watch the iron condor strategy for the third strategy that we run. Okay, so we run 3 strategies on this account. Now coming to the second part, as I discussed, I will show you what are the 3 strategies that we run on the account. Okay, so the first strategy that we do is, if I come back to 9:20, I've already executed this. I was prepared for the video, so, and I exit out all of this and say these are all refreshed and say let me start from fresh. At 9:20 every day in the morning, what I do is I go ahead and sell options that are closer to either 300 strike price, 300 premium, 400 premium or 500 premium, depending on how volatile the market is. Okay, So today in the morning at 9:20, what I have done is I have sold 44,900 call option and 45,800 put option. These are my positions. There you can see 44,900 call option and 45,800 put option. I will show you in my orders as well. In the morning at 9:22, okay, at 9:22 we have sold this at 463, the put option, and the call option at 503, 44,900 call option. Okay, so once we have done that, what we did is we also bought hedges at 6.50 rupees and 5.10 rupees. So let us see where are the hedges. 6 point, so this is 6. Let's go to 6 somewhere here as well. So this is 6. So these are the hedges. Totally, to run this strategy, you need a total capital of 53,000 per lot. So we run this for 25 lots. Total quantity of 375 quantity is what I run right now on the account. So now comes the second part, which is the stop losses. So you will put a 20% stop loss on both the legs, and whichever legs hits the stop loss, the other leg you will move to cost. Okay, that is how this strategy works. Save alert. Let me auto run this for today and see what happened. Okay, so 475 plus 10%, 494 plus 10%, sorry 20%. So 475 plus 20% would be around 570 rupees, which is 475 plus 20%, 570. So we will exit this at 570. If I'll show you in my orders also, we have exited this, I think, somewhere around that price range itself. Let me just check. Yeah, 558 instead of 570. I exited at 558 itself. I sold, I bought that back here. So that was my that was the SL I took on one side. Okay, on the other side I have a profit of 15,000. This is 35,000 loss. Totally I'm in a 16,000 profit. Let us see how the day progresses. Okay, now as the day kept going, the market further and further started falling, which is why we have made a huge profit today. Any option seller that would have sold at the money straddle also would have made a lot of money today, because the market has a huge trending day. Okay, so totally at 255 I end my trade. So 255 totally with a profit of 95,000 rupees is what we have booked for the day. But in my case, there was a small issue where my trailing stop loss got hit, and I made a total profit of only 52,000 rupees instead of 92. So I was trailing it very closely, but there was a small spike that hit my trailing stop loss. I booked a total intraday profit of 52,000 rupees today, and this is my overall positional and intraday. It's 85,000 for this the whole day. Okay, so that is the intraday strategy that we do. There are two other strategies, one iron fly and one iron condor. I'll quickly show you what those strategies are. So for this week, this was the iron fly that I had deployed, but because the market is tending towards the lower side, I had to make an adjustment. If I did not make this adjustment, this is how my iron fly was looking. Okay, I started this iron fly at 45,600. Okay, market as it came down and breached 45,123, I sold, or I added to my call leg. Okay, so on the call side, I have sold a thank you Sunoj. I've sold a call leg of 71 rupees, and I bought a hedge of 5 rupees 25 paise, and this is how my current position looks like. Okay, I exited this leg also at 40.80. Okay, now my total maximum loss in this is 17,000. If some worst case scenario happens and tomorrow market falls by 30 say 3,000 points, still I get a maximum loss of only 17,000. But if the market recovers and it closes between 45,200 to 45,600, which I see that there are small chances because overall market is downtrending, then I would have a profit of 27,000, which is 2.2%. Let us see what happens. This is the iron fly strategy that we do after the adjustment. The next thing is our positional strategy that we do. This is the iron condor that I've shown in my YouTube video here as well. Iron condor, if you look, the images are the same. So that's the same strategy. In the iron condor, we sell far OTM options and then we buy hedges for them. So the market when I deployed this, I think was at around think 1000 points or 900 points below. So at 45 400, 45 300 level, and then I deployed this 800 800 1000 away, or 900 900 1000 away. So my total max profit in this strategy would be 44,000 with a max probability of 87%, and current PNL is 29,000 rupees. Okay, so this is the third strategy that we run on the account. All of these are clearly mentioned in our YouTube channel, so please do consider watching those. Now let us look at the outlook for tomorrow and what is going to be our plan of action for tomorrow. Overall, I was just summarizing this, but if you see the current market in the current scenario, the market has started to make lower and lower lows, right? So this is the 5-minute chart. There's the high point here for the market. So this was the high that it could not break above. Post this, the market has started coming down, made a low here, then started making a lower high. Okay, this was the higher high, lower high. Okay, then the market has made a new low, and now it is going up, but it did a 2-day consecutive, or the whole day was a loss. So let us see what happens. If the market does end up going and breaks this, then you can say it's consolidating, but if it does not, then the market is in a downtrend. So tomorrow my outlook would be a downtrending market. Let us see what happens, and we'll get a complete picture. All right. Okay guys, if you do have any doubts, please do let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer. But this is my overall view. I think tomorrow the market will open without a big gap up or down. That is what I think. If there is a gap down, both my strategies will give me a loss. That's okay. If it's a single point, if it's at the money, if it opens, then we are in a good shape. If it opens higher, then we are in a great shape. All right. So that is my take on the market. Thank you so much for watching the entire video. If you do have any doubts, please do leave the doubts in the comment section. At the last part, I just wanted to tell you that I will be leaving this link in the comment section of this video for you to go ahead and look at my PNL, verify each day and see how we have done. You will get inspiration through this. I hope that helps. Do reach out if you have any questions. Thank you guys. It was a great live stream. It was fun talking to you. Have a great trading day tomorrow. All right. Bye-bye.